Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about the Auditor's Contravention Report for SMSF. To begin with, the information provided in my video is a general information only, as I didn't consider your personal circumstances, objectives and needs. Let's talk about the Auditor's Contravention and Auditor's Contravention Report. Very often we receive the questions from the trustees. What should be doing if we receive a contravention report, if the auditor reported us to ATO? First of all, you need to work with your accountant or another SMSF expert, SMSF professional, to resolve the contravention. You need to understand what this contravention was about. So you need to read the Auditor's Contravention Report and you need to read the management letter. In most cases, with the contravention report, you would receive a management letter explaining what contravention occurred, what section of SISA Act was contravened, and auditor's suggestion about what you should be doing about it. So when you read the management letter, first step would be to try to rectify the contravention based on the suggestions which auditor suggested on the actions. You have to try to rectify this contravention before the auditor lodges a contravention report, if it's possible. So for example, if for some reason the trustee mixed up the bank accounts and transferred some money from SMSF bank account to their personal bank account, so to rectify this contravention would be to transfer the money back from personal bank account to SMSF bank account. The auditor still might report this contravention because contravention still occurred. However, this contravention has been rectified, and then the auditor reports to ATO that the contravention has been rectified. ATO will not pursue this contravention anymore. In most cases, the ATO will send a letter to the trustee saying, yes, we received the contravention report, we acknowledge that contravention occurred, however, we are not going to, because it's been rectified, we are not going to do any further actions. And this is very important, because if contravention has not been rectified or cannot be rectified for any reason, the ATO might take the further actions. The actions which ATO might take depends on the severity of the contravention, what kind of contravention occurred, what sections of SISA Act were contravened, and also amount of contravention. Obviously, if we are talking about like few dollars or few hundred of dollars, or even few thousand of dollars, it probably will not attract a lot of attention from ATO. However, if we are talking about, say, tens of hundreds of thousands of dollars, which the auditor reported in their contravention report, this is why you need to read the contravention report, then ATO definitely will take some further actions. What actions can ATO take? ATO can take the actions such as further education, trustee education, so they can send the trustee to some additional trustee courses and additional trustee education, because the trustees, they must understand what they can do, what they cannot do in the SMSF, so the further education might be required, and this might be the ATO view that you need more education. Also, you can undertake you can do enforceable undertaking. This is where you come forward to ATO and tell them how you're going to rectify it. You need to work with a SMSF professional, with a SMSF expert or your accountant to basically make sure that you do this enforceable undertaking in a way which will satisfy ATO. So, which is why you need to work with the professional, right? And the other actions could be ATO might impose penalties if the contravention is severe and if it hasn't been rectified. And if the trustee cannot rectify it for any reason, again, ATO might take further actions such as making fund non-compliant, impose administrative penalties, which is like $313 per penalty unit. Say one contravention could be 20 units, could be 60 units. It's almost like $9,000 per contravention. These are administrative penalties which could ATO impose on SMSF trustees as well. So the penalties could be very severe, and because the penalty is per contravention, it means every time you contravene the SISA Act, this will be the penalty, and they multiply very, very, very fast. So you need to understand what you are doing. But the first step is to understand the contravention. Second step, talk to your accountant, talk to a SMSF expert, talk to a SMSF professional. And step number 3, rectify the contravention or offer the solution which will satisfy ATO and make your fund squeaky clean again. So if you need further information, if you're stuck, if you don't know what to do, if you receive a contravention report and you need advice, please feel free to contact us. 0432366690. This is my personal mobile number. Or you can send us email inquiry@smsfconsulting.com.au. You can go to our website. We have different videos. And let us know if you have any issues. We will be happy to assist you. See you next time.